So in this video, we used the clippers. We did some scissor over comb. We even did the twist technique on top to give the hair some texture so my model could wear his hair with versatility. If you watch any of my videos, you know that I like to be able to give my models or my clients haircuts that allows them to have versatility when they style their hair from day to day. So, check it out. If you guys have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thank you so very much again for watching. All right, so here is the before and here is me getting started on the haircut. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the upper half of the sides and back. And I'm starting on the right side, working my way to the center back. Once I get to the center back, I will then start on the left side. So I'm now on the left side of the head, working on the upper half of the sides and back, and I'm going to work my way back to the center back, just like I did on the right side. Alright, so now it is time to cut the lower half of the sides and back. So I've got my clippers in my hand. I put the shortest guard possible. As you can see, I'm just cutting the hair in an upward motion and scooping out as I get to the occipital bone. Alright, now that I've completed cutting the lower half of the back, I'm going to do the exact same thing on both the right side and the left side. So here you can see I'm just using the clippers and just working my way in an upward motion, and as I get up to the upper half of the side, I flick out with the clippers just to soften that fade, so it's going to make it a lot easier to blend the bottom with the top. Now here I'm doing the exact same thing, except I'm doing it on the left side of the head. Alright, so now I'm just basically going to work my way all around the hairline with the clippers, except I've removed the guard. So this allows me to take the outline a little bit shorter and just clean it up even more. Alright, so as you can see, I now have the trimmers in my hand, and basically I'm working my way all around the outline again, just cleaning up the outline even more, removing the sideburns even more, taking the neck hair off, and just working my way around the outline. Alright, now one of the things that I like to do is I like to do a little bit of scissor over comb where the lower half of the sides and back meets the upper half of the sides and back, just to strengthen up the shape even more. So now it is time to cut the hair at the top of the head, and as you can see, I'm taking a very little off. I'm keeping the length on the longer side. However, I am keeping the shape longer at the front and a little bit shorter as it works its way to the back of the head. Now, that first section was my guide, and I'm just going to use that guide to cut the rest of the top. Alright, so if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I like to give my clients and my models versatility on how they can dress their hair from a day-to-day basis. So, one of the things that I like to do is I like to implement the twist technique at the top to give the top of the hair texture. So, in the event my model wants to dress his hair with texture one day, he has the versatility to do so. And if he just wants to brush it back another day, he definitely can do so as well. So, what I'm doing right here is I'm taking little sections, twisting the hair, and then just going through with my scissors, closing the blade, but not all of the way. And what it does is it removes a bunch of the hair, but not all of the hair, creating a really cool texture. Alright, so we've come to the end of the haircut, and as you can see, my model now has a lot of texture on top. So in the event that he wants to dress his hair with some texture at top, he definitely could. However, if he just wants to brush it back, he definitely has that versatility to do so. So, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to hit me up in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thank you guys so very much again for watching.